Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this DIY easy bun hairstyle using expression hair. But if it's your first time you're watching my video, thank you so much. You are welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and please, before you leave, give this video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell. In this video I use expression hair color 1 and I use the whole package without cut. And I go ahead and I spice my easy bun a little by adding a little amount of hair with color 27. And then I put them together and I use yarn to tie them.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side.
Then I trim the excess yarn. I'll be using this ponytail wig cap. This is L size, but I will remove the wire because this bun does not need this wire, and then I attach it on this head. If you don't have a ponytail wig, you may use any wig cap. So here I attach the braiding hair middle of this ponytail wig to get a good shape of my easy bun. So what I do here, because this color 27 they are very few, so I add some hair from left and right, but very small section, just to make sure these three sections they are even, and then I start braiding. When I braid, I make sure the side I put 27 color is always up, and then I continue braid, very loose braiding, and I braid it till end of this braiding. So after I braid till end, I also take a piece of yarn and I tie this end well to make sure the end will not unravel, and then I trim off all the excess hair just to make my bun clean. And then I pull the hair out just to make this easy bun to be a little bigger, and then this is how it looks like. To attach this bun is very easy, just roll, and I go ahead and I take needle and yarn, then I start to attach it. Every time when I attach, I make sure I attach the section under to avoid the yarn to show out, and then I keep rolling and secure it with yarn. When you seal your bun, make sure you seal all the section under to avoid the rounds to be far from each other.
sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with the emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet and spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet and spice. Made a love potion for you.
To avoid this end section to show out, I make sure I put under and then I secure it well. I seal couple times with yarn just to make sure this section they are well secured, and no matter what, this part will not show out.
With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me.
So here I'm done with attaching. Then I pull a little hair out just to make this bun more bigger and make more full, and then I remove here and I trim all the excess wig cap. Then I attach some wig clips and I attach 3 clips to make it easy to attach on my natural hair when I want to put it on. If you don't have these wig clips, no problem, you may use bobby pin.
Time for a love potion, little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron.
So this is how the wig it looks like, guys. So let me go ahead and put it on and we see how this wig looks like. So here I only attach these clips on my natural hair, just easy like this. And after that, guys, this is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly like, comment, and don't forget to share with other people you wish they know how to make this easy bun. I love you guys and I will see you soon. Bye bye.